Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding USDT on your Ledger Nano X and want to move it over to Bitrue for trading or other purposes, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to transfer USDT from your Ledger Nano X to Bitrue in 2025. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto involves risks, so double-check everything to keep your assets safe. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need your Ledger Nano X hardware wallet with USDT stored on it, the Ledger Live app installed on your computer, and a verified account on Bitrue exchange. Also, ensure you're using the correct network. USDT is typically on the Ethereum blockchain, so we'll be working with that. Let's jump into the steps. Start by connecting your Ledger Nano X to your computer and unlocking it with your PIN. Open the Ethereum app on your Ledger device. Since USDT is an ERC20 token, this is essential. Now, open Ledger Live on your computer and navigate to the Accounts section. Find your Ethereum account that holds the USDT. Next, head over to the Bitrue website or app. Log in to your account and go to the Deposit section. Select USDT and choose the Ethereum network to get the correct deposit address. Copy that address carefully. It's crucial to avoid any typos here, as that could mean losing your funds forever. Back on Ledger Live, select your USDT balance and choose the option to send. Paste the Bitrue deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, but don't forget to leave enough for network fees. Review the transaction details on your Ledger screen and confirm it by pressing the buttons on the device. Once confirmed, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. This might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Bitrue account to see when the USDT arrives. Pro tip: always use hardware wallets for security, and never share your seed phrase. And there you have it. Your USDT is now on Bitrue, ready for whatever you have planned. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.